Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how to put a anonymous story on Instagram. Now, there are two applications which you can use to put a anonymous story on Instagram, which is Tellonym and NGL. Now, I will show you both the applications in this video. Now, if you don't have those two applications installed into your device, go ahead to Play Store like this. Open up Play Store. On the search bar, type in either of those applications, either NGL like this and install NGL, or type in TELLONYM like this and then install this Tellonym application. Now, assuming that you have installed the Tellonym or the NGL application, go ahead and open up one of those. Now let's start with Tellonym. Once the Tellonym application is installed into your device, go ahead and open it up. And you can then create an account by simply using your Gmail by clicking on the sign in with Gmail option. Now once Tellonym opens up on your device, on the bottom of your screen you'll see this navigation bar. On this navigation bar, on the second option, you'll see this share option. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, there will be three options which will appear on your screen. Now you can simply copy this link and post it on your story. You can share elsewhere by clicking here and share on the social media platforms that you have on your phone, or you can directly share on Instagram by clicking on the share on Instagram button. After you click on share on Instagram, this pop-up will appear on your screen. Now to go to Instagram, simply click on this go to Instagram button. After you click on the go to Instagram button, the Tellonym link will be automatically copied to your device, and then this story will be prepared for you. Now on this story, on the top of your screen, you'll see the sticker option. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the sticker option, type in LINK and click on the link sticker that appears and paste the automatically copied Tellonym link here, and then click on this done button. Now you can paste this sticker anywhere you want on the story and then click on this your story option. After you do that, people will be able to ask you questions anonymously and tell you things anonymously on Instagram. Now for the second application, which is NGL, simply install the NGL app and then type in NGL on your application search bar and open it up. Once you open up NGL and once you log into your account, you will be on this page of NGL. Now you'll get two options by default. You'll have to either copy your link like this and go ahead and post it on your story, or again, like Tellonym, you can just simply click on this share option like this. Once you click on this share option, you'll be able to choose Instagram, Twitter or Snapchat like this. Now let's choose Instagram and then click on this next step. Keep clicking on this next step until the share on Instagram button appears on your screen. After you click on share on Instagram, the story will be prepared for you. Now on this story, on the top of your screen, again you click on this stickers option and then find this link sticker and then paste your NGL link here and then click on done. Once you click on done, this sticker will be prepared for you. You can put it anywhere on your story, and once you post your story, your friends and family who are connected to you or who follow you on Instagram will be able to use Tellonym or NGL to put anonymous messages or send anonymous messages to you. I hope this video helped you to put anonymous story on Instagram. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video, and do subscribe to the channel for more such amazing tutorials. Thank you for watching.